Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, a very common problem that a lot of people have reported to me in past, and so I decided to do full investigation to find out how we can overpower it. Well, the problem was like, suppose somebody has postgraduate work permit, which is an open work permit, and they come out of Canada due to whatever reason to their home country, let's say India. Now if they want to return, we all know that work permit is not a valid travel document. It does allow to work in Canada legally, but you cannot travel based on that. And if you are from a visa required country, let's say India, you need to have a valid visa stamped on your passport in order to travel to Canada. So many people have reported issues like when they go through this My CIC Come to Canada Visit, they come up with options that are not suitable to them. Like they already have postgraduate work permit, but still they get the option to apply postgraduate work permit. So that's why in many videos I have suggested people to apply it while you are in Canada. Like make sure your status, like I mean you have the valid visa to return back if you go out of the country for some urgent reasons. But anyway, let's say you are in India, you have a valid postgraduate work permit, now you want to come back to Canada, so you are going to apply for TRV. So the similar steps can be followed, I mean some different answers if you have a valid work permit and you want to return to Canada. Anyway, let's go through it, how we are going to do it. So the very first thing is log in into your MyCIS account, click on apply to come to Canada as usual. So what you are going to do, you are going to click on this, what would like to do in Canada. So you have got the work permit already, so you want to work. How long? More than 6 months. In your case, let's say you have 2 years of work permit. Select the code that matches the one on your passport. So let's say you are from India. Remember our assumption, you already have postgraduate work permit to your profile. What is your current country? You are in India. Let's say you came for any urgent family reason. Do you have a family member who is Canadian permanent resident? No. Let's say you are unmarried and you don't know anybody who is you don't have any relative or family member in Canada who is a Canadian citizen permanent resident. What's your date of birth? So let me give a sample date of birth. What should I do? 1996. Okay, 24 years, not a bad age. I wish I could go back to my 20s. Next, are you a green card holder? Let's say no. Now this question is gonna determine you. So although let's say you have your postgraduate work permit, although you don't have a job offer from an employer, but if you select yes here, later on you can modify this answer and you can get to your correct application. So this question determines a lot. So you select yes and continue. What is the state of your job offer? Let's say temporary, at least 1 year. It depends on case by case. Whatever you can go through it, whatever is there. No. Will you be coming to Canada with a spouse as you are unmarried? Are you working a dependent person who is working? No. Now this question is important. Have you recently graduated from participating Canadian posting for which full time a minimum of 8 months? Yes. So let's say you just got your work permit. I mean, of course, answer here also varies based on your case. Let's say you just got a month ago, urgently you came in India, you have your PG postgraduate work permit and now you want to return. So whatever is applicable in your case. Important question I already discussed with you. Now do you have an official letter from school? Yeah, you have. What is your marital status? So we decided we'll go for never married. What is the province of destination? Let's say going into Ontario. Whatever is applicable in your case. Now here, foreign worker, visitor visa required, postgraduate work permit. So a lot of people, those who want to apply this TRV, they say that they just get this option. They don't get this option. So because of that particular twisting I did, we got this option as well. Now how we are going to correct that? Because we said we have a job offer, but we don't have actually. So we are going to correct it. How we are going to correct it? Let me show you. Proceed. Click on continue. Now this question is equally important, because this is how you are going to correct it. Now listen very carefully. Do you have a valid work permit or study permit and need a visa to return to Canada? This is of course yes. So go to the drop down. Here you have multiple options. So if you have a postgraduate work permit, what you have an open work permit. Select. medical exam last 12 years. So if you have gone through, yes. If you have not gone through, click no. Maybe they may ask you to go for it case by case. Let's say you had, so just yes. But if it is no, click yes. You want to submit application for family member? No, you are traveling alone. Someone access to your application? No. In past 10 years, have you given your fingerprint or for biometrics? Let's say yes, you did it. Otherwise, if you select no, they will ask you to go for biometrics. But yes, if you have not given, then click no. As per your case, as I have said, as per your case. Listen to this, very important, as per your case. This is just a sample video. There are fees associated with the application. Yes. Yeah. Digital copy. Yes, that is why you are applying online. Will you paying fee online? Yes, applying online, so I'll be paying online. You can review all the answers. Date of birth and all are very, very important, and other all questions are important. So I showed you the twisting, how you can do it. Continue. So this is the checklist. Now see what you have got. Canadian application to visitor visa template made outside of Canada, Canadian work or study permit, passport digital copy, proof of medical exam, because you said you have gone through, family information form, and these are optional documents, but I strongly recommend people to go for it. So you are going to pay the fee of $100. You are not paying any work permit fee because you already have it. You are not applying for study permits. You are not paying a study permit fee, and because you said you have gone for biometrics, so biometrics also did not come. Now I'm gonna include the link here, like 5257, and then the schedule 1, how to fill these documents, 5645. I'm not gonna go through step by step because I've already uploaded the relevant resources. You're gonna find the links in the description, so follow that accordingly. And then the option will come here to go to next and pay the fee, and from there you can proceed. So this is how it works, guys. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to give it a like and comment, and if you have any concern, any question, anything comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. Thank you, guys.